you doing?
No.
Did you pee in the potty?
Uh-huh.
So what are we going to do? Are we going to yell out to everyone?
Uh-huh. And couldn't kill us.
Yeah, okay. Let's open the door. Okay. Yell to everybody. Say, I peed in the potty.
Okay. Oh, come to Daddy right now.
Nope, that's not Daddy. Yell real loud. I peed in the potty.
I peed in the potty.
Louder.
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 Then my voice coming back.
Yeah, it's like an echo.
Uh-huh.
Yell it again.
Oh, look.
Tell them. Say, I peed in the
I
potty.
peed in the potty. That's the echo.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna kill us.
Okay, y'all say Courtney and Caleb.
Honey, Kayla, where are you?
Say I peed in the potty.
I peed in the potty.
I'm so proud of you. All right. Let's close the door.
No, I need to yell some more.
You need to yell some more?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You help?
No, you did it. You pee. Or you yell.
I'm in the potty! That's really like echo.
Yeah.
Echo! 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 Echo!
You have crazy nap hair.
Echo!
Who's on your panties?
This dolphin.
Doc McStuffins. Doc McStuffins and frogs. It's a good mix.
Echo! Oops. That's really like echo in my body.
There's an echo in your body?
Whoa, whoopsie.